This is the U3 unboxing and tutorial video. Here are the specifications for this UL2272 certified electric scooter. Feel free to pause while viewing the information. Now let's take a look at the scooter and accessories. Straight out of the box, we have the handle grips, an instruction manual, the charger with a 3-pin plug, an air pump attachment, instructions on how to assemble the handle, the screws, and Allen keys. To assemble the handle, prepare the screws and an Allen key. The cables are already wired to the scooter, so all we need to do is stuff the cables into the stem and then attach the head of the handlebar in place. There will be 4 points, 2 on each side, to screw and lock the head of the handlebar in place. Do ensure that the screws are tightened. Next up, attach the handle grips like so and tighten to ensure they stay in place. At the base of the stem is a hook that holds the lever in place. Move this to the side and pull the lever down to release and fold the stem. On the right side of the handlebar where the brake is, there is a clip that can be hooked to the rear mudguard as shown here. With the U3 folded, it is easy to carry. To unfold, release the clip from the rear mudguard to lift the stem up. At the base of the stem, lock the lever and always remember to use the hook to keep the lever in place. If the stem wobbles, use an Allen key to slightly tighten the lock at the front until the stem no longer feels loose. The position of the brake can be adjusted to your preferred angle and then tightened with the Allen key as shown here. Next to the charging port is where you will find the UL2272 reflective sticker. This sticker identifies that a scooter is certified. The charging port is covered with a rubber seal. Lift this seal up and plug the charger in order to charge the U3. The front and rear 8.5-inch pneumatic wheels should be kept at 50 psi, so do remember to check on them regularly. The right side is where you'll find the brake, as well as the bell. This is the throttle. Hold the power button to turn on the U3. The bars at the top of the LCD screen indicate how much battery is left. Clicking the power button once changes between 3 different speed settings. Click the power button twice in quick succession to turn on the headlight. Click twice again to turn off the headlight. Clicking the power button 3 times in quick succession switches the display to an odometer that will display distance traveled. Click 3 times again to switch back to the speedometer. The rear light is on by default when the U3 is turned on. Using the brake will make the rear light shine brighter to signal braking. The U3 app links will be displayed in the description below. Click the Bluetooth icon at the top left corner in the app. The default name will be Mobot, so click on that to connect, and the default password is 6 zeros. The Bluetooth icon will also be displayed on the LCD screen of the U3. Clicking the bottom left corner will switch to the LED Functions tab, where you can turn on the headlights through the app. The LCD screen on the U3 will display a headlight icon to show that the headlight has been turned on. Clicking the middle button returns to the main menu, which displays the speed. Clicking the tag icon will switch the screen to a tracker that can track your current trip when activated. Switching back to the LED Functions tab, you can change the color of the LED. Use the color bar to change the LED light to your desired color. Below that is the bar that adjusts how bright you want the LED light to be. At the bottom are a few color presets that you can choose from as well. Having the LED lights turned on will of course consume battery, so you can also choose to turn off the LED lights completely to